Hey there, hi there, ho there. Hello there, my name is Adam. Welcome back to the channel Kaputy Inc. Today's exciting adventure, enlightening exploration, if you will, is we have a 2010 Chrysler Town & Country and the automatic sliding door isn't working. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's get kicking. We find ourselves down here in the track that the sliding door slides on, and here's the wiring harness that slides with the door. I've actually had to replace and fix a few wires in here before. I told myself I was going to get a new wiring harness, but the cheap ass in me says, just fix the wires. So to get you see this wire, this is a non-factory wire. I replaced this wire before, and you can see it's broken in 1, 2, and obviously 3 spots. This gray wire here, again a non-factory wire. I thought maybe going with something a little thicker would help, but I don't know. That's what it's going to get replaced with. It lasted like 2 years with this repair the first time. So while we're at it, we're going to inspect a few other wires here and make sure nothing else is going bad on us. This blue wire's a replacement. We're going to give a good tug on that. Check out that. We're just going to go ahead and pop these off. This is held in by a clip. This push-in clip pushes here, just pops out. These clips here, each individually unclip, pretty easy. You just pop them loose with a screwdriver. I think you can actually do it with your fingers too, but just pop them loose, just work your way down. And I think we're going to replace this pink wire the entire way because I don't want to have 4 splices in it. That's just dumb. That's just a recipe for disaster. We're going to actually undo that. So these just clip together. It's pretty simple, but we'll do that. Save having to deal with the extra. And this way we can inspect the whole wiring harness. And if we can get ourselves a part number off it too, maybe we'll consider switching it out. But alright, I got the rolling track attached back to the door. The wires go from there. They make a real hard 90 here. I can see why they break. And they get caught under this tab here. I'm trying to trying to make sure that there's enough sheathing around them so that they don't rub through there. But now let's see if it works. Win. Alright, long story short, a couple of broken wires are what kept preventing this door from opening and closing. I remember at one point the 3 broken wires, I want to say the door didn't want to unlock or something too. Maybe that's what one of the lock wires was for, but this time only 2 wires broke. I replaced them so that we didn't have 4 splices in there. We just had the 2 spliced out the chunk of bad wire. So it's really not that hard. Pull the track out, unclip the track, just pay attention to what you're doing, and remember, if you fuck up, there's an identical one on the other side that'll let you know where things go, how they're supposed to lay, etc., etc. So inspect all the wires, because if 2 are broke, chances are maybe a 3rd one's broke or a 4th one. All ours seem to still be okay, except for the obviously 2 broke ones. So hope you enjoyed. If it was useful, feel free to comment, ask questions. And if you want to see me do my most excellent work, like working on the old lady's wig so she can take the kids to soccer practice. Just kidding, we don't play soccer here. But anyways, subscribe. See you in the next one.